Hey guys, today we're going to do a lookbook and a quick what's in my bag for the end of the world. I'm going to show you my outfit and then we're going to move on to the bag. This is me. What the fuck? Okay. First off are these really good Walmart leggings. They are thin enough for the summer, warm enough for the winter, fall, versatile, we love it. Very inexpensive, comfortable, boom boom bitch. You can shoot squirrels in them, you can do twerk in them, whatever, be thick. Okay, be thick in them, whatever, we love her. Flip your hair in them. Okay, whatever. Okay, this shirt is from a thrift store. It's also thin enough for the summer or warm enough for winter. I have an umbrella I just pulled out. I thought that would be a good idea just in case it floods or whatever, I guess. But we don't want to open it inside. Bad luck, y'all. Yeah, I guess I'm okay. So I'm showing you my shoes. These are really cute Skechers. Y'all making fun of me for this shit, but this shit is waterproof, sturdy, inexpensive. I don't know if y'all gonna be able to get it for the world ends, but y'all should have. Any boots like that will go good though. And then I have this scrunchie in my hair. Hee hee, we're cute, we're dying, we are doing things. And we are doing those things. Disclaimer, no disrespect to anyone who is dying from like a fire, coronavirus. This is just me being like, fuck, I feel like the world is about to end, so trying to find some humor in the fucking bad because I'm freaking out. Okay guys, so we're gonna move on to the bag portion of the end of the world OOTD. This is mine. If you're kind of richer, you probably have a bigger one, and that might do you a little better so you can fit more great things in here. But personally, I don't have that much money, and I don't think I'm gonna have time to actually go to the store and pick out a new backpack if the world were to end right now. So I decided to go with this really cute little mini bag that a friend got for me. Actually pretty spacious. I've got some stuff coming out there, but pretty much like it holds a lot of stuff. Yeah, so we're gonna go ahead and unzip it. It has two zippers, so that's a really it only has one zipper. I'm sorry. Just kidding. I guess that's not a nice detail. Basically, I have all the essentials in my bag. This is what I would recommend for you guys to have if you guys are, worried. I'm going to show you the stuff that I have for different situations. First off, I have these sunglasses. Would highly recommend to pick some up for, anytime when there's a overwhelming glare in the sky when the sun is falling, or maybe you see houses catching on fire, or like the second coming of Jesus, or like what have you. You never know when you're gonna need some UV protection. So that's the first thing I have. The next thing is I have these really great Walmart brand antacids, because you never know when you're gonna have to eat like a squirrel or something like quirky like that, and you're gonna need like something to settle your stomach. They also have the little bottles of these, so I would highly recommend picking some up. The next thing, this is like my favorite top 10 products of all time. You can get these at Dollar Tree, assuming they still have some, or Walmart, also assuming they still have some, because I definitely went yesterday and I couldn't find Germex. So I know Walmart's selling out really quick of like essentials, but this is in the travel section, and it's actually a kids pack of a toothbrush, some little flosses, and a little toothpaste, and it's just so space sufficient, if you will. I don't know, but it comes in this nice zippered pack, and it even has a little toothbrush cover that's holographic, and they have different themes. I got Avengers themed, Infinity War oral care kit, and now I used to carry these little packs when I was having my thought days and I had to go to a boy's house and sleep overnight. It's always nice to carry in your purse, but in this case, obviously, it's the end of the world, so we're gonna, you know, go ahead and put them in our travel bag. And these are really nice because they have, the toothbrushes have this little suction, so you can actually, like, wherever you're going, I don't know what situation you're in, maybe you want to stick it on your car window or like wherever when you're escaping, and it's really nice. I'll show you on this mirror back here actually. You can stick it on, you know, those kind of surfaces, glass surfaces. So this is very much a handy kit for you to pick up. What's next? A granola bar, just in case you don't feel like squirrel that day. This is an Aldi protein bar. I would just carry those around anyways, but especially now in these dire situations, you know. Chapstick, I like the tinted one because I like to be in style even when I'm dying, or like, you know, people around me are dying. So I have this Merlot color. It's really a beautiful color actually. So yeah, any of you ladies out there, pick that up if you're, you know, feeling crazy. And just let me know if you want me to do a makeup look on, you know, end of the world makeup. I can definitely do that. Always inspired by the end of the world, you know what I mean? You might also want to carry some concealer, just in case you look like you're gonna, you know, pass the fuck out. You might not want to, before you die, look like you're about to die. So you might want to apply like a little bit of this under your eyes, or like on any scars that, you know, any wounds. You don't want people to like find you, or I guess no one's gonna find you since it's the end of the world and everyone's gonna be fleeing or dead and like moving to different places. So like, I guess when the animals like come and find your carcass, you know, you don't want to be like looking ugly. So like, maybe some of that is nice to carry with you. The next item I have is this really great lighter. These are my favorite lighters, and they have been since before the world was ending. They're like mini, like torch, or like not torch, but you know, like the regular lighters, but they're like tiny and they're so cute. Definitely would recommend picking one of these up. It's the Crocs brand. But not the Crocs with the shoes. I don't understand why they're both called Crocs, but anyway, that's a really good find. And then you're gonna want a scrunchie, ladies, if you have long hair like me. Might shave mine off just because I don't want it in tow when, you know, I'm dodging zombies or like, I don't know, shooting a gun. I wouldn't get it tangled in, you know. Double use this as like some kind of tie-up of some sort if we needed. I don't know, maybe, you know, y'all are crafty. But yeah, I have one in my hair. I would recommend carrying two at all times just in case. You never know. It's the end of the world, right? And I almost forgot, I also have these really great Fujifilm disposable cameras. Now, this was a big hobby of mine before the world was ending, is just to take pictures with disposable cameras. However, the world is ending, so I just have this pack left over. Now, you can develop these, but it is a really great pastime if you feel like, you know, running from meteors is like getting too taxing and like you kind of need a break. Pick up some of these, like for real. You can feel like you're kind of being normal again, and they fit into the bag with everything else pretty well. You don't have to get the 2-pack, you can just get one, and then you'll kind of feel like you're living your normal life again. I have this wine tool. I don't have a Swiss Army knife. I would highly recommend getting a Swiss Army knife because this is just, it's just a little much to, I mean, you have that little knife, but like it's not, it doesn't give you a lot of leeway of like what you can do with it. But maybe if you find like an abandoned grocery store or something like that, you can use the wine opener because you want to be fucking drunk for the end of the world. You know what I mean? So you might need it. Perhaps a Corona, you can use the bottle opener on, no pun intended. Yeah, I don't know. There's not gonna be any lines, but might need that. And last but not least, we have some Wet Ones wet wipes, and it kills 99.99% of germs, cleans better than hand sanitizers, and it's hypoallergenic. I love these guys. When I went to the Walmart the other day, they were completely sold out of hand sanitizer and like a lot of soaps too, because you know the craze is that you're gonna like get coronavirus if you touch anything other than a bottle of hand sanitizer. So I went and picked up some packs of these, and these are really nice. They actually really are cleansing, and I think they do clean better than hand sanitizers. Now when you run out of these, I don't really know what to tell you. You might just be SOL. I don't know what we're gonna do without Germex or soap, but apparently people were living a really long time without those things before coronavirus became really big. So maybe people will go back to not washing their hands. I'm not really sure, but in the meantime, you might want to pick some of these up, especially if you're going to be traveling long distances. You don't want to touch anything sketchy and not be able to get that 99.99% of germs off. Thank you guys for watching this. I hope I was very informative, and again, let me know if you need another lookbook for the end of the world or a makeup look. And I'll help you guys out. Until then, thank you so much. Hopefully I'll see you next time. I probably won't, because it's the end of the world. Yeah. So bye.